Tired of cookie sheets that warp, stick, or make cleanup a nightmare? The Gotham Steel Cookie Sheet promises a hassle-free baking experience with its commercial-grade design and unmatched durability. Imagine baking cookies, roasting veggies, or prepping sheet pan dinners where nothing sticks and cleanup is effortless. If that sounds like your kind of kitchen upgrade, this cookie sheet deserves your attention. What sets the Gotham Steel Cookie Sheet apart is its solid aluminum core that heats evenly across the entire surface. No hotspots, no burnt edges. It's triple-coated with a nonstick ceramic layer that lets your baked goods slide right off, eliminating the need for extra oils or parchment paper. I've used it multiple times already, and even sticky, gooey messes wipe clean with just a quick rinse and mild soap. The 7 inches by 7 inches size gives you plenty of space for batches big and small, and the 0.8 mm thickness means it won't warp or flex, even after repeated use in ovens up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's metal utensil safe, so you can scrape or flip without worrying about scratches. Beyond performance, this cookie sheet is designed for convenience. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after busy baking sessions. And it's free from harmful chemicals like PTHE, PFOA, and PFOS, so you're baking healthier. Whether you're a casual baker or someone who relies on reliable bakeware daily, Gotham Steel offers a solid investment that lasts. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your bakeware without fuss. Try it when you're ready to bake smarter and clean easier.